if you are someone who wants to achieve fluency in English language so that you can win any conversation, so that you can communicate your ideas, your expression, your opinion in every conversation effectively, continue watching to this video, because in this video I'm not only going to talk about how you can build the habit of speaking in English just within 21 days, but I'm also going to talk about the topics. I'm also going to provide you with the topics you can incorporate while practicing speaking English, so that every time when it comes to speaking English, you don't feel overwhelmed by the thoughts that pop up in your mind. What do I even speak about? What I should be even talking about? Because in this video, I'm going to solve all your problem one after another. So without doing further ado, let's cut to the chase. So when I was learning English, I also had no partner. I had no idea what to speak about. I had no one. I had no professional advice, because ideally when it comes to learning a language, we want someone to assist us with practicing, with correcting our mistakes, with giving us feedback. But initially, if you are just starting out, you don't have to worry about all these things. All you have to make sure that you make 15 minutes from your timetable every single day just to practice speaking in English. And now please don't say that you don't have even 15 minutes, you are a busy person. I know you are a working professional, you are a college student, you have a lot of responsibility to carry out, but at the same time you also have 15 minutes. If you want, you can undoubtedly effortlessly allocate 15 minutes from your timetable. And if you don't believe me, just open up Instagram, hit the three dots and see the average time you spend on scrolling on Instagram. And I suspect if you are someone who is addicted to your phone, your average time span might be 2 hours, it might be 3 hours. So now take a moment to really reflect on your habits, that if you can allocate, if you can dedicate 3 hours of your valuable timetable just mindlessly scrolling on your phone, how come you not make 15 minutes from your timetable to build a skill that is going to help you leverage every single thing you want, that is going to help you acquire a better job, a better job prospect, a better future prospect, or leave a lasting impression on any person you interact with. So back then when I was learning English, I was a person like you. I was My English was miserable. It is terrible. Despite the fact, I did not back off. What I would do, I would walk up to the roof, I would find a secluded and quiet place and practice every day. I would practice every single day. And while practicing, I would also feel overwhelmed as to what to speak about, what I should be speaking about, what if I made mistakes. Back then, I did not worry at all. The fear of making mistake did not stress me out, because all I wanted to do and all you are supposed to do is just to build the habit of speaking in English, just to instill the habit of speaking in English into your daily routine, into your daily lifestyle, so that it becomes a natural part of your lifestyle. You don't have to think out of the box as to I have been working for 9 hours in a day. I work for 9 hours in a day's time. And now also have to make 15 minutes. When you build this habit of speaking English, you won't have to worry about it. So when I was learning, I was scrolling on my phone when I stumbled upon a valuable video. In that video, a woman talked about how someone can build a habit of doing anything, no matter what it is you want to build, you want to instill in your routine. All you have to do is to repeat that thing consistently for 21 days in a row. So as soon as I stumbled upon that video, I wondered, this is exactly what I can do with English. This is the approach I can implement with learning English. So what I did not worry about the mistake, I did not worry about the timetable, I did not worry about the topics or anything. All I did was to make sure that I speak in English, even if it was for 5 minutes a day. I did it consistently for 21 days. And eventually, after doing that, I'm not saying that I ultimately became a fluent speaker. I started speaking like a native, like a foreign person. No. But what happened eventually after repeating this with consistency is that I did not have to worry about allocating time from my timetable to speak in English, because I started to speak in English every single day when I was doing the household chores, when I was taking a ride to the grocery shop, or I was speaking in English while simultaneously being engaged with other tasks in my daily life. This is the approach I think can help you drastically for building the habit of speaking in English. And when you have built the habit of speaking English, now you might worry about now you might worry about the mistakes. But don't sit down and don't sit down and just stressing over the mistakes you are making. Also make sure how you can improve those mistakes by watching videos on YouTube channel, by using ChatGPT, or by using an AI integrated app. There are ample apps available across social media platforms that you can use to improve your English, to refine your spoken skills every single day. Now I think I have talked enough about how you can build a habit of speaking English. Now that you know you need to speak in English every day for 21 days. 21 days consist of 3 weeks. And in every week there are 7 days. So what you have to do, and what I did, was to list the topics that I was really fascinated about, I was keen about discussing. That is exactly you can do. So now that know you have to practice, what you might feel overwhelmed with is, what do I speak about? And this was something that would trouble me also a lot. That would trouble me a lot. So what I did, I asked ChatGPT to make a list of topics that people encounter in their daily life. If you don't use ChatGPT, or you don't want to make the effort to even use ChatGPT, I I am going to provide you a link to the PDF, which is going to contain at least 10 to 15 topics you can speak about when practicing for 21 days in English. This is really going to unburden the pressure of what to speak about for you. So now I think you have built the habit of speaking English. You know what to speak about. Now just start speaking. Don't worry about the mistakes. If you become really concerned about making mistakes, you are never going to make any progress in your linguistic skills. Because had I been concerned and overly overwhelmed about making mistakes, I would not have been sitting here and speaking before this camera. The main purpose for me to speak this before this camera is to let you know that if an average person like me can practice speaking in English and improve its English to this level, then you can speak even twice or thrice better than me. So just put your phone down, stop using social media app. Your time is so valuable. You don't know, you are at the golden age of your life. And if you end up spending your valuable, your golden hours, your golden seconds on mindlessly scrolling on social media, by the time you grow up, you mature, or by the time you reach an age when you don't have time, you are going to regret. And regret is something that I hate. I personally despise when it comes to regretting about something. And that is exactly the reason why I'm always making effort. Even now I make sure that I listen to something, I immerse myself to into something related to English. I'm still not backing out. I'm still not preventing or letting some frivolous or useless question popping in my mind to prevent me from achieving the level in English that I want. because at the end of the day I don't want to regret that I had plenty of time to practice speaking with back then, but I did not because I was always distracted. So I hope this video has helped you. If it did, then you don't need to do anything. Don't like my video, don't make any effort. Just make the effort to make time for yourself, because at the end of the day it is only you who can change itself. No one is going to help you, no one is going to come up to you and tell you to get up of your bed, get out of your bed, put your phone down. No one is going to help you in your own self development journey. If there is someone, it is you, and it is better for you the sooner you understand this. Thanks for watching.